and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patty. I go by Pattymac Makes everywhere online. In today's video, I want to share something really special with you that was sent to me from Missouri Star Quilt Company. If you don't know, I am a member of their partner program. And what that means is, if you use my special link, which is in the description below, it will take you right over to their website and you can receive 20% off in the month of March 2024 to celebrate National Quilting Month. You'll get 20% off your order of $50 or more. The rest of the time, unless it's a special promotion, just by using my link, you will be able to get 15% off your order from Missouri Star. So I think that's a pretty fantastic promotion. I do receive a little bit of a commission from that, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. And if you're going to shop anyway, I really appreciate it if you use my link. But for today's video, we have a very special direct link to Missouri Star to this particular item that I'm getting ready to share with you. I know a lot of you like to travel and you go to these really fabulous quilt retreats, or maybe you just like to off-grid a little bit and you take your sewing with you as part of a way to unwind and relax while you're enjoying the great outdoors. So wherever your sewing takes you this summer and beyond, I think you're going to like the item that we're going to look at today. So stick around, let's get into the package and see exactly what Missouri Star sent me this week. Okay, my friends, this is what we have today. This little smaller package. This is an item that was sent specifically to me from Missouri Star that I'm going to share with you. And this was something I grabbed, and I'm showing it because I'm set up to film this one, and this one came. So this one I purchased. So we'll look at that in a second. Let's look at this guy first. Kind of excited about it. Well, who am I kidding? I'm always excited to open a new package. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, let's see what's going to be. Oh, there's a couple things. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, oh, this is cute. So our first little item is our flat chuck. And he's got a little milkshake. I guess he's supposed to be like a little ice cream soda shop person. And this is the National Quilting Month flat chuck. Is there any better way to celebrate National Quilting Month than with Chuck the Duck by your side? Let Chuck be your sweet companion and keep you company in your sewing room. Cheer on your next project and photobomb all your quilting achievements. Oh, that's cute. He's always so cute. And I love that mint green. All right, Chuck. Put you right here. So, gosh, I got two of these. I didn't expect to get two. I guess one is like maybe a giveaway gift for viewers. That's what I'm assuming. So one of them's a little bit damaged. It got mushed in the shipping, so I'll keep that one, and we'll have this one. Okay, we're back. Yeah, this camera, it's given me so much trouble with focus and dropping, and anyway, here's what we got. This is the Quilt Town Mini Travel Sewing Tin, and this is darling. This one I'm going to leave sealed, and we will open this one. Okay, there we go. We'll open this one. It's a little damaged on the bottom, so I will take that one for myself. This is something that is designed for travel. So if you're one of those lucky people who gets to go to all of these fantastic shows and conferences and all that and travel, what a concept. This is perfect. Oh, that's much smaller than I thought. Okay, so here's how it looks, and it's in that beautiful teal color, and it's got their lovely star, and this is embossed. Super nice. So we open it up. Oh, look how cute that is. So this has a few things in it, and this is in their beautiful branded fabric. So you get little, these are bobbins for your embroidery. So this actually would be super nice in your embroidery kit too. So you get a little thimble, a seam ripper, mini little scissors, and this is pretty cool. So this guy is a little mini. I don't know how to open it exactly. Let's see. Oh! It's a little itty bitty mini rotary cutter. Okay, so it's locked. You push the button, and oh, okay, it clicks into place and it opens. Ooh, we'll have to try it out and see how well it does. And then you squeeze it and put it back. So it's safe. Okay, let's see how it cuts. You'd think with all the scrap stuff I have going on that it would be easier for me to find something, but you know, it is what it is. All right, we'll just do something. This is just to try it out. See how this works. Oh, that's pretty nice. You have to press down a little bit, so you just kind of press down with your hand here. Oh, that works great. Oh man. So, you know, if you were going to a retreat, or if you're, I don't know, like I've seen one woman who, she takes her sewing with her camping in her little trailer. She's got a really cute little camper. And you know, this would be really ideal for something like that. And it all fits in your little tin. That is adorable. I will tell you, they gave me a special code for this this product. I don't know if it's, I don't think you get a discount with it. It's a $12 item. But they did give me a specific link to share with you on this one. So I'm going to put that down below for you, and just look for the link for the mini travel sewing tin. And if you have any retreat plans or anything like that coming up, you might want one of these. And in any event, it would fit perfectly into your Missouri Star embroidery kit. I know a lot of you picked those up. Fit perfectly in there. Anyway, I love it. I don't know how I'm going to do the giveaway. We'll figure that out over the next couple of weeks. We'll work on something there. But for now, that's your mini travel sewing tin. Just adorable. Let's look at my box. And again, I purchased this myself. I bought it for a reason, and now I don't remember what the reason is. So I feel like a scatterbrain, honestly, right now. And here's our Chuck the Duck again. And this is beautifully packaged. Oh, okay. So, oh, I know why. Okay. Duh. Okay, so I got 3 things. I went on specifically to get this, and this is a Bella Solids in turquoise. And I got this for the cat project because getting the right color for my cats, I had to work on that just a little bit. And I'm not going to get into it in this video. We'll look at that in a different video. I just want to show you that I did pick up Bella Solids in turquoise. And while I was there, because I just can't get enough, I went ahead and bought some of this neutral, because I'm trying to stockpile my low volumes a little bit. And this is from the Flowerland collection. And this is called Diamonds, and it's in their natural yardage. And then I bought this absolutely beautiful print. It's called Butterflies on Vintage Pink. It's kind of like a peachy tan, And the butterflies, you can really see them really, really well on the fabric. It is gorgeous. When I saw this on the site, this was a lot more pink than I was expecting. You know, that is the hard thing about buying online. You really don't know what you're getting. And this particular color, you know, it could almost be a neutral. I think if pink is a neutral, because I like to use it so much, so it really could go with that. Let me show you what Flowerland is, if you don't know. Okay, this is Flowerland, and it's a newer Ruby Star line. It's from Melody Miller, and I love it. I mean, when it was first announced that they were coming out with this, I was just thrilled with it. So here's what I ordered. Oh, it's a kind of a different shade, maybe? It's pretty close. It's more neutral than it appears on the website picture for it. But, oh, I just thought it was so pretty. And then there's the other one that I bought. It's a gorgeous collection. I mean, it's so hard just to pick and choose what to get, but, you know, we all have a budget, unfortunately. This I would love to have some of the print of. It's all like seed packets. And, you know, I'm pretty heavy into gardening, so I would love to have some of the seed packets. But anyway, that's Flowerland. And much to my delight, Missouri Star is starting to carry some Ruby Star products, which I'm really happy to see because I love them so much, as you know. And yeah, I was really happy to see this was on the site. I have requested that they start to carry a little bit more of it, so hopefully that will come into play. All right, so for today, I purchased these three with my own money. And we'll come back and I'll show you what we're going to do with this. And when I show you why I got it, you'll understand. And then the lovely mini travel sewing tin. This is adorable. So yeah, if you're a travel person, you might really enjoy this little kit. I certainly love mine. And okay, that is our video for today. And thanks, Chuck. Good to see you. Glad you're here. And yeah, that's our video for today. Thank you as always for watching. Thank you so much for using my links that I provide to you both in the description below and on my website. When you purchase using my links, you are helping to support directly my work here on the channel and on the website, and I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Okay, my friends, that's our video for today. As I always say to you, happy sewing and happy quilting, and just get out there and enjoy all of the beautiful, beautiful fabrics, and enjoy that beautiful world that our Lord has made. I'll see you in the next video.